a ready-to-use ERP solution for garment manufacturers. The core objective of TexoSoft would be to control cost. The management can monitor cost through a dashboard. The board details the projected profit for orders in progress. For every order in progress, a budget statement can be prepared for approval. The budget statement details the projected revenue and expense for each order to provide the gross profit and net profit. The statement also provides the breakup for verification. For shipped orders, the system automates the actual profit and loss statement and provide the breakup for each cost item. The up-to-date variance in profit for orders shipped is highlighted, and the variance can be seen for every customer. For each of the shipped order, a variance statement can be generated. It breaks down the variance in gross and net profit and highlights the items/processes that contributed to the variance. Variance by cost category is highlighted on the dashboard with a breakup by customer. TexoSoft has a mobile interface for cost approvals on both Android and iOS mobiles. Profile button helps you to set up the connection to your server. Dashboard is classified as approvals and notifications. Approvals are categorized with totals. Budget approval details the budget statement as a PDF. On verifying the detail, the user has the option to approve or reject the transaction. For other approvals, the value loss is detailed as a PDF, which again can be either approved or rejected. Notifications are categorized, and on selection of a category, the information details are displayed. The next objective of TexoSoft would be to ensure customer approvals on time. For each type of approval, the system has a template to capture the days required to get the items ready. The time required for feedback for each customer is captured in another template. For every style booked, based on the booking date and templates, dates for items to be sent and approved are automatically generated. On saving the approval requirement entry, the task board gets populated. The approval group is shown as columns, and each column has a color-coded task status and available days. Color codes: gray, not required; blue, not started; orange, in process; and green, completed. Each task provides information on the items and its status. The days in green implies completion on time, while days in red implies delayed tasks. At any point in time, approval status in orange and dates in red are the delayed tasks. TexoSoft helps in planning the material in-house date for every style in an order. A template is available for budget approval days and days required to complete ordering of materials, either from budget approval date or before material in-house date. For every style in an order, based on the inspection date and the time required for PP approval, material in-house date is calculated. This in-house date gets populated in the purchase task board along with available days. It also populates the task status and days for each class of item. Tasks are color-coded as not started, in process, and completed. Drill down on tasks provide status of the item along with stock. On-time completed task days are highlighted in green, while delayed tasks are in red. On budget approval, the processing task board gets populated with the fabric in-house date and days available to get the fabric in-house. It also populates purchase and process status, with days for monitoring both purchase and process. Process status provides the status for each process and its analysis. Further drill down can be done to item-wise status and process loss variance. TexoSoft helps in monitoring every production stage, along with processing if any. Production stages include cutting, sewing, checking, ironing, and packing, while processing includes panels and garments. Styles for which PP has been approved, with a positive result for GPT and FPT, can be assigned for production. Assigned orders would be populated on the planning dashboard by style, with the days available for inspection of goods. The board also provides the status on finished materials, production, and shipment. A work order can be prepared either for in-house production units or for outsourced production. Fabric consumption analysis provides the planned and actual consumption along with value. Favorable values are in green and adverse values are in red. TexoSoft helps in follow-up of orders for timely shipments. Every task board has a follow-up menu with its related activities. For example, items to be sent for approval is a follow-up task. It summarizes what is to be done today, activities overdue, and activities to be done in the immediate future. Each classification in the summary can be expanded for details. In the purchase task board, item categories can be followed up for what has not been ordered by item class and pending purchase orders by supplier. In the processing task board, follow-up is based on process. For each process you could know the process orders not prepared, materials to be issued for a process order or the pending process orders with processors. Production follow-up provides details on all production process like cutting, sewing, checking, ironing and packing besides panel and garment processing. TexoSoft enables total information transparency through dashboards with a drill-down feature. Order dashboard provides information on orders received, in process and shipped. Each of them can be drilled down for details. Key performance indicators like on-time shipments, cut-to-ship ratio, order-to-ship ratio, approvals sent on time, feedback on time and right the first time approvals are also highlighted as percentages with a drill down for details. Purchase dashboard provides details on total purchase by item class, rating of suppliers, budget variance in purchase, besides rejection analysis and stock in store. Process dashboard provides details on total process by item class, rating of processors, budget variance in process and rejection analysis with details of stock in raw material store. The production dashboard is similar to process dashboard but provides rejection analysis with drill down and rework analysis. On-time inspection KPI is highlighted by customer and stock and WIP in production can be monitored in real time. We once again thank you for the opportunity.